नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट से। ऑन मंडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस शोड अ रिकवरी आफ्टर ओपनिंग विद अ गैप डाउन एंडिंग ऑन अ मिक्स नोट। द डाउ गेन 0.86%, the S&P 500 edged up by 0.16%, while the Nasdaq closed lower by 0.30%. On Monday, the Brent oil ended above the $80 for the first time after October 2024. Going ahead, it is likely to test the level of $82 in the short term. The US dollar index surged above the 110 level for the first time after November 2022. However, it failed to sustain at higher levels and thereafter witnessed a minor pullback. Going ahead, the zone of 110.10 to 110.30 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. Talking about Nifty's view, on Monday, the benchmark index Nifty opened with a gap down and showed a minor recovery in the first half of the trading session. However, it struggled to sustain higher levels and resumed its downward trajectory, ultimately closing below the 23,100 mark with a 1.47% loss. The session concluded with the formation of bearish candle featuring a long upper shadow. Most noteworthy, the index has slipped below its prior swing low of 23,263 level, which was registered on November 21, 2024. Among the constituents of Nifty index, only 4 stocks have ended on a positive note. The broader market faced significant pressure with Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices plunging by more than 4%. For the fourth consecutive trading session, the Nifty is trading below its 200-day EMA level. The daily RSI has given a breakdown of upward sloping trend line, which is a bearish sign. आगे जाके 23,230 to 23,260 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल बनेगा। जब तक इंडेक्स 23,260 का लेवल के नीचे ट्रेड कर रहा है, ये 22,900 का लेवल और उसके बाद 22,750 का लेवल शॉर्ट टर्म में टेस्ट करने की संभावना है। जबकि अगर इंडेक्स 23,260 के लेवल के ऊपर सर्ज होता है तो शॉर्ट कवरिंग रैली देखने को मिल सकती है जो 23,400 तक जा सकती है। On the derivatives front, the January futures dipped by 1.44%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 5.39%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 23,200 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 23,300 strike. On the put side, the 23,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 22,900 strike. For the weekly series, OI PCR is at 0.59. For the January monthly series, it is at 0.53. अगर हम बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें, बैंक निफ्टी continued its outperformance on Monday, the underperformance on Monday as it has tumbled by 1.43%. आगे जाके 48,400 to 48,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल बनेगा। जब तक इंडेक्स 48,500 के लेवल के नीचे ट्रेड कर रहा है, ये 47,600 के लेवल और उसके बाद 47,000 का लेवल टेस्ट करने की संभावना है। टॉकिंग अबाउट सेंसेक्स व्यू, द बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स सेंसेक्स ऑल्सो स्लिप बिलो इट्स प्रायर स्विंग लो ऑफ 76,802 level, which was registered on November 21, 2024. Currently, it is trading below its 200-day EMA level for the third consecutive trading session. The daily RSI has also given an upward sloping trendline breakdown. आगे जाके 76,800 to 76,900 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल बनेगा। जब तक इंडेक्स 76,900 के लेवल के नीचे ट्रेड कर रहा है, ये 75,600 का लेवल और उसके बाद 75,000 का लेवल शॉर्ट टर्म में टेस्ट करने की संभावना है। On the derivatives front, the January futures dipped by 1.18% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 11.58%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 76,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 77,000 strike. On the put side, the 76,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 75,500 strike. For the weekly series, OI PCR is at 0.63. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX surged by over 7% on Monday and it has given a highest closing since November 2024. Going ahead, any sustainable move above the level of 16.30 will lead to an increase in overall markets volatility. The advanced decline ratio was largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty Metal, Media, CPSE, PSE, Auto, Oil and Gas, PSU Bank, Realty, Pharma, Healthcare and Financial Services space are likely to underperform in the short term. अगर हम FIDI डेटा की बात करें, the FII sold to the tune of 4,892 crores while the DII is bought to the tune of 8,066 crores. The FII's long short ratio for index futures is at 15.45, and on a net basis, they sold 17,400 index futures. That's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.